Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB has broken that triangle. Most recently we talked about that. We had quite a rapid decline. Price came down to $202. It actually made a new low, and that is what we wanted. It hasn't reached our target range yet, which has been defined between $184 and $200. But as you can see, we're getting there. I don't have a very clear view of the microstructure here in this wave 5. It should actually be an impulse. So I have to count it as a 5-wave move down. But it's very, as you can see, it's very choppy what happened here. Yeah. Really difficult. I would have to consider this probably as a wave 1 and this as a wave 2. Basically, well, I shouldn't say this has to be an impulse. This can be a diagonal, but it has to be a 5-wave move. That's what I wanted to say. Otherwise, it would have been easy to say, okay, A wave, B wave, and now we come down in wave C, but because it just looks so strange. But I think we can allow this as a wave 1, wave 2. Wave 1 is 3-wave move because it would all be a larger diagonal. Wave 2, now a 3, a 4, and a 5. This is the best I can tell you. Oops, not red. In terms of micro structure for BNB. And it seems like it's not finished with its downtrend, and we didn't expect it to be finished with this downtrend. We expected it, in fact, to go down a little lower. So wave 1 possibly unfolded as an A, B, C structure. The wave 2 as well. Now we could be in the 3rd wave, which might have seen its A wave. B wave might be finished, and now it could come down in wave C of 3. This is obviously a little bit, still the story that's being written right now. But in case you're confused, in an ending diagonal, which this wave 5 would be the way this unfolds right now, yeah. We have to have 5 waves, obviously, and each of the waves is a 3-wave move. So the 3rd wave would also be an A, B, C structure. So I would call this move down here potentially as the A wave. This here is the B wave, which might still be unfolding. So that's a bit uncertain. And then ideally a C wave to the downside. But then the micro count is not so important. I mean, what the micro count tells us is that if this is a B wave, we should allow a retracement of 78.6%. So basically the $210 level. So it means that as long as the price now stays below $210, the downside pressure should remain high and should be kept alive. Only above $210, something different might be going on, because you normally, I mean, I would not trust it as a B wave if we see a sustained break above $210. Even though a B wave can overshoot, yeah. Let me take out here the box. Don't need that one. And we also don't need that one anymore. But yeah, it's currently following through. It's coming down lower. It seems like this Elliott Wave triangle, which we talked about in recent weeks, A, B, C, D, E, broke to the downside. That should be complete now. And I mean, it made a new low. Can I rule out the low is in? No, but it doesn't look like that to me. It seems like we are coming down lower in line with what Bitcoin is doing as well. And this is the area we've had on the chart for a while between 184 and 200. So we should now be sort of in the middle of this 3rd wave, then another 4 and another 5. That's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.